Good morning, guys. I hope you're having a good day. My voice is not that great yet, but the show must go on. And as I'm away at States today, I would like for you to work on Teabag Tango. Let's talk a little bit about the rhythm of Teabag Tango, and then we'll have you practice it. But for right now, tap it out on your leg while I tap it out on the board. There's a special rhythm right here at measure 4. Remember, guys, we had 2 measures to count here, and we're in 4/4. So it'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 2 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. The difficult spot is measure 4. If you have trouble with it, think of it as ti-ta, ti-ta. I think it's kind of interesting when you think about, well, we're talking about Teabag Tango, but ti-ta, ti-ta. So look at measure 4. The second note has a dot under it. That means it's really short. So it's ba, 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 ba. So ti-ta, ti-ta, rest. So if we do measure 3 and 4, it would go like this. If we counted it in ti and ta, it would be ti, 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 ta, ti, ta, rest. And then the same rhythm does it again. So that rhythm happens several times. If you keep looking over here at the second bar, you have the same rhythm with a quarter note afterwards. So it's ti-ta, ti-ta, ta, ti-ta, 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 ta, ti-ta, ti-ta. That rhythm, say it out loud with me again, in the middle, that middle bar. Say it out loud together as a class. Tap it on your lap. Here we go. Second line. Ti-ta, ti-ta, ta, ti-ta, 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 ta, ti-ta, ti-ta. And then we're right back in to the same rhythm as before. The bottom bar here. Ti, 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 ta, ti, ta, rest. Ti, 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 ta, rest. So, when you think it through, don't play yet, guys. Leave your recorder on the floor, okay? And think and say your note names this time in rhythm. So you would be, let's go here and try it, right? Let's pretend we've counted 4 beats twice for our rest. And then you would come in and you start on G. So let's say the note names. You ready? G, G, A, B, B, A, G, 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 rest. G, G, A, B, B, A, G, 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 rest. A, G, 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 A, G, 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 A, B, B, A, G, 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 rest. G, G, A, B, B, A, G, 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 rest. And if you look right here at the end, you have a repeat sign. So make sure that you're ready to repeat when you play this along with the accompaniment track. Your substitute will have an accompaniment track at 2 speeds. Let's do the slower one. and make sure you're all together. You could play in pairs, just together. Make sure you're sitting next to somebody that you can help if they're having trouble. It's very important that we do things like that to help each other, especially as we're getting ready for this concert. I think this will be a lot of fun. So make sure that you play this with the accompaniment track several times now. Okay, have a good day.